Hey you, as promised, beer. To get the color right, you'll need to mix yellow and orange jello. I used a little less water to make it more firm, but you don't have to. Mix until the color is just right. Not quite. There we go. These are little plastic shot glasses from the dollar store. Fill and refrigerate. Meanwhile, make the whipped cream for your foam. Just a little sugar because the jello is very sweet. Don't forget to get some on the counter. That's the important part. Mix until stiff peaks form. Spoon the cream on, or use a piping bag. Maybe a piping bag would have been neater. That looks like a cat's head. I use the flat end of a food pick to spread the cream out and give it a little texture. A chopstick or the handle of a spoon would work too. I'm really pleased with these. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you soon.